Okay, guys, so I can't stop eating it. I'm just not gonna stop. You need to check this out. It's my green goodness pasta sauce. Okay, welcome to my kitchen. This is Christina Monty Fisher. We are throwing around green goodness. Today, I'm gonna show you how I make my green goodness pasta. It is loaded with green goodness. I'm talking spinach, peas, zucchini, and a little hint of lemon. Okay, anyways, so you wanna check this out. This is a really good, fun, easy recipe. It's going to impress your guests, your friends, and family, and it's healthy. So let's get started. Here are the ingredients for my green goodness pasta. Peas, spinach, zucchini, basil, fresh basil. I've got vegetable broth, almond milk or any plant-based milk you would like, salt, pepper, and red chili flakes, garlic, lemon. We're going to use the juice of 1 lemon and the zest of 1 lemon, onion. Here's a half of an onion. Of course, olive oil is super, super important. It wouldn't be pasta without olive oil. And of course, I've got my pasta. First step is we want to put the heat on to about a medium-high heat. And we are going to add the olive oil, salt, pepper, red chili flake, my garlic, and we're just gonna let that heat up for a few minutes. Now that everything is kind of heated up, we're gonna add the onions. Stir that around until they get translucent. Make sure your heat is on medium, maybe a little bit of medium high. The dogs are excited. And just let them sweat out for about 2 minutes until they become translucent. Okay, now I'm gonna just add in the zucchinis. Just gonna give it a nice toss. What you wanna do is make sure your heat is at medium or maybe medium high. Right here at this point, I'm gonna get a little bit of my vegetable broth, just a couple spoons of it. So I wanna create some steaming action here. And I'm gonna let that steam for, I don't know, a few minutes until the zucchini starts to cook down. I'm just checking on this. They've been steaming for a few minutes. I'm getting a zucchini, garlic, and onion facial. So the zucchini is steaming, it's cooking down a bit. We want that to steam up and cook up a bit more, so. Okay, so this zucchini has been steaming for about 10 minutes. Looks amazing and super happy. So now I'm gonna put in my peas. If you want to shell fresh peas, you be my guest. I'm just gonna give it a nice mix. Oh, that looks so good. Then you're gonna add the vegetable broth. Here we go, it's going in. Then you want this to get to a simmer. Okay, so I've got like a light simmer going on here. Now I'm gonna put the spinach leaves in. Oh my goodness. So healthy, so good for you. And it's going to cook down very quickly. So easy too, just all goes in one pot. That's one thing I love, and it happens pretty quick. Wow, look how quickly that's cooking down. All of the green goodness is in here. So now I'm gonna turn off the heat and I'm just gonna let it cool. Okay, so it's gonna take about 20 minutes for it to cool. You might wanna completely take it off the heat. So it's cooled as much as it's gonna cool. I'm just gonna put a little bit of lemon juice in here. That's gonna help that color look really vibrant and green and beautiful, and also give a nice refreshing flavor. Then I'm gonna put in all of the fresh basil. Again, you can do this in your blender. I'm gonna do this with my hand blender. I like the immersion blender just because then I don't have to clean my regular blender. And it's up to you how smooth you want it. All right, and that is gorgeous. I'm going to add some frothed almond milk here because I want to make this a light, vibrant, bright green. Just want to give it a nice stir, kind of combine that in there. It's just going to turn it a brighter, lighter green. Gently mix it in there. Or if you're using the blender method, you can just pour it into your blender. And there it is, this beautiful green goodness pasta sauce. I'm gonna add a little olive oil to my pasta water. And I have some fresh pasta I picked up at the market today. We'll just get it in there and break it up nice. You cook your pasta to your desired level of doneness. I am going to keep an eye on this and it won't take long at all. This pasta is done. It's looking gorgeous. Oh my, oh me, oh my. Here's the pasta. So now I'm just going to combine this pasta with my green sauce. I'm gonna take the pasta, okay, and we're just gonna put it in here. We're just gonna give it a little tossing. Just a light toss. Oh my goodness, look at this green pasta sauce. Really wanna saturate it with this green. And there you have it. My green goodness pasta loaded with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants. From all of these unbelievable green veggies, we've got peas in here, zucchini. I have spinach and basil, a little bit of lemon juice. It is gorgeous. So here it is, my green goodness pasta. I'm so excited, loaded with spinach and peas and zucchini, fresh basil. Now I'm gonna put a little lemon zest on top. Just give it a little something. I'm gonna add a little bit of Calabrian chili, a couple spots here. So there it is, my green goodness pasta. I'm going to take a nice big bite. Wow, look at that. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Wow. I love it, love it, love it. The lemon in here, and I can taste the zucchini. I can taste the fresh basil. The peas. Ooh, the spinach. This is incredible. You have to make this. No joke. And I'm sorry, if you're a person that likes spice, you've got to add some Calabrian chilies to it. Incredible. Thank you for watching. Happy eating. Remember to like, save, share, please comment, and most importantly, remember you are deeply loved by God.